The Hermes Setup Wizard is the safest beginner way to configure Rocky. Instead of opening config.yaml and guessing keys, run Hermes Setup. The wizard walks through the important choices: model provider, default model, terminal backend, tool access, and gateway options if you want messaging later. You can also run targeted setup sections like Hermes Setup Model, Hermes Setup Terminal, Hermes Setup Tools, or Hermes Setup Gateway. If you are using the portal path, Hermes Setup, Portal can bundle the provider and tool gateway setup into one smoother flow. After the wizard finishes, run Hermes config to view the current configuration and Hermes Doctor to check for missing dependencies. The beginner rule is to change one layer at a time. If the model is not working, fix the model before enabling lots of tools. If the terminal is not working, fix terminal before scheduling jobs. The wizard helps keep that order sane